In the previous lecture, we started the topic characteristics of professional ethics. We have already discussed the first 2 points. Number one was stated in formal code. Number two, codes focuses on issues important in the profession. In this lecture, we'll talk about professional ethics has precedence over personal ethics. This means that there is a trust between a client and a professional. If a patient enters his doctor's room and discusses his disease, then definitely the patient expects that the doctor will keep his secret and won't disclose it. Similarly, a client seeking a legal advice would be confident that his issues won't become public. And an engineer would never disclose a plan of an organization, especially to the competitors. This trust is enforced through regulatory bodies and professional trainings, the one which you're getting at the moment. This was the third characteristic. Now we will move towards the fourth point that says professional ethics is different from personal ethics. Professional ethics has higher priority when we compare it to personal ethics. Even in some critical issues, we give first priority to professionalism. Suppose you're a doctor working abroad and patient approaches you for abortion. You're personally and morally against it. But it is your professional responsibility to guide and send the patient to a consultant who can resolve their problem. Similarly, you are a lawyer and identifies that your client is involved in criminal activities and you have moral ideals that you will never help a culprit, but still it's your responsibility. What will you do? The only thing you can do in such situations is to send him to some other attorney. As an engineer, a client can request you to approve a design which you think has structural limitations. Your responsibility is to point out these problems and approve a design only when they comply. I've explained the first 4 points or characteristics of professional ethics. Now, your task is to discuss in detail the negative and positive dimensions of professional ethics. Thank you for watching, and you'll have to submit this task within class timings.